question answers. Krishna Khurana, after several reminders, he has not turned on his camera yet. No problem. Soham Mohak, Ridhima Shukla, Avijan, Athar, Shivam, Yash Mishra, Prashasti, Ayushman. Excellent, dear. I'm going to make use of this notepad file and I'm going to put all the answers in this. So the first thing that we're going to discuss is section A, and it is the first part. It is Philip's part that we are going to discuss today first. Now let's come on this. What is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter is chapter 11, and it is Internet Apps. Okay, this is the name of the chapter. So first question is, computers connected to the internet communicate with each other by using dash. So how can two or more computers communicate with each other? Can anyone tell me?
Sir, TCP or IP.
That is an excellent answer. Yep. They can communicate with the help of transmission control protocol or internet protocol. Right. Now let's come on the second part. Phillips, Dash is one of the most popular VoIP services.
Sky.
What will you answer this? That is
Sky.
right. Delivery of voice and multimedia sessions of over the internet. So what should be the answer?
VoLP.
VoIP.
Right. It should be VoIP. And remember one thing, when you are writing VoIP, na, V and IP are in caps and O is in small. Remember this thing. Don't make any mistake while writing this thing. Okay. Now
सर
let's
ओ
come
से
on
कुछ
this
फर्क
fourth part.
पड़ता है सर स्मॉल ओ से
लिखने का तरीका है बेटे. It's a way you have to write down this word.
Okay, sir.
A dash is a small piece of software that adds a feature to a program or makes program work better. So it should be.
Mug in.
Shyash, I didn't heard you, dear. Can you please speak
Mug
loudly?
in.
Plug in. That is right. It is plug in. Okay. How is it? Okay. Plug in. Now let's come on this fifth part. The word blog is derived from the word dash. So it is derived from which word?
Weblog.
Weblog.
It is derived from weblog. This word blog is derived from this word weblog. Now let's come on the sixth part. A Philips Dash is a video camera that sends data in real time to a web server. So it's a live
cam.
Live cam.
Right now also we are using a live cam. The Dash feature Skype allows you to share computer.
Group screen sharing.
Group screen sharing.
Group screen sharing, right? This is the only option we are left with. So the answer of the last one will be group screen sharing. Fine. So we are done with the Philips part. I hope everyone is done with copying all the answers in the books. Yes. Is there anyone who left? Shall we go ahead and move to the B part, section B?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let's come on this B part, which is state true or false. What is the first part saying? A blog allows users to share their thoughts with the world.
Sir, true.
True.
True, sir.
True.
That is absolutely correct. Now let's come on the second part. Skype is the only software that can be used to make VoIP and video calls.
False.
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 Right. Now let's come on the third part. Chat program is an example of real-time communication.
True.
True.
Right. What is the fourth part saying? Skype translator produces translations for voice calls in only 9 languages.
False.
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 Now let's come on this fifth part. RSS feed is made up of a list of items presented in an order for the oldest to the newest.
False.
It is true, dear. It's given on page number 163. So there are 2 paragraphs given under this heading RSS. So you have to search for the answer of this one in the second paragraph. Just read the first line of the second paragraph, which is given under this heading RSS. So you will be able to come to know about the right answer. It is saying that RSS feed is made up of the list of items presented in an order from newest to oldest. Acha, it is newest to oldest, and it is given here oldest to newest. So I think it should be false. It should not be true. It should be false. So the correct answer of this one is false. It should not. It is not true. It's written over here oldest to newest just because of that. Okay. Let's come on the sixth part. The green check mark in the Skype window displays a person is busy. Is it true?
No, false.
It means that the person is online. Okay. It is false. That is absolutely right. So we are done with this true false part also. I hope everyone is done with copying the answers in the respective books. Let's come on this C part, that is application based questions. We're going to solve this first part. Tushar is an aspiring poet and wants to share poems with the world using internet, but he is unaware of the suitable internet service for the same. Advise him the option which could meet his requirement.
Blog.
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 Absolutely correct. It should be blog. Let's come on the second part. Amir is the CEO of a multinational company. He wants to hold a video conference in which he would interact with national heads of 5 countries. Suggest him some suitable application to perform this task effectively.
Skype
Skype.
and Zoom.
Is absolutely right. Okay.
Sir, some applications. तो दो तीन डालने
I
पड़ेंगे.
didn't catch that here. Let's come on this section B, which is on page number 171, and it's part A, MCQ, multiple choice questions. We'll be doing first.
Blogging.
So, who's the founder of Skype?
Nicholas Zenstrom.
Absolutely
Yes.
correct.
Nicholas.
This one is going to be C, part C. Second one is the contacts with a dash check indicates those who are available to chat with or call.
Green.
Green.
Correct, dear. It
Green.
is part green. Okay. Now let's come on this third part. It is saying Blogger has launched in the year.
1999.
Absolutely correct.
C.
Then what is this? Fourth part saying into how many languages a message can be translated in Skype.
50.
Absolutely perfect. Now comes the fifth part. It is saying to change the appearance of your blog, click on the dash tab.
Edit.
Sorry, what is the answer to this
Edit.
one?
Edit.
Rita, can you please tell me on which page the answer of this one is? Can we find the answer of this one? On which page can we find the answer of this fifth part of MCQs? Tell me the page number.
Sir, on page number 168.
But I'm not able to hear you. Can you please speak somewhat loud?
Sir, page number 168. Last
Page number 106. I think the answer is given on page number 169.
Sir, it is
It
given.
is the fourth point which is given in that page, saying that to change the appearance of your blog, click on the layout tab. So this is where you can find the answer of this fifth part of MCQs. So the correct answer of this one is going to be C. Now comes the sixth part, which is saying which among the following options is used to keep the users abreast of updates on the websites. So it should be
RSS.
Right. We are done with the multiple choice questions also. Now let's come on the B part, answer in one word. Fine. Let's talk about this first part of this question. Give one example of a plugin that plays streaming audio / video files. I hope you all know about Windows Media Player. Okay, so this is the correct option. If you want to find out the answer to this question, what you can do, you can come on this page number 162. And there is a term given under this heading multimedia with name streaming media. So there you can find the answer of this one in the second paragraph of that. So it's written over here, the Windows Media Player, Real Player, QuickTime plugins, play streaming audio and video files. So these are some of the options which are given in your book. You can go for this Windows Media Player because I think you will be able to recall it. Now comes the second part. It is saying a small wait before the audio or video file begins to play is called
Buffer.
buffering. That is right, dear. It is buffering. Then this third part is name any website which is used to create free blogs. So of course it is
Blogger.com.
blogger.com. Okay. Let's come on this fourth part. Write the full form of RSS. So there are two full forms given in your book. One is rich site summary and the second one is really simple syndication. So I think this one is easier. This one is easy. Rich site summary, right? You can go for this full form. Now let's come on this fifth part, which is saying which program allows multiple users to communicate to each other in real time. Sorry,
Skype.
what is the answer to this one?
Skype. Skype.
Is Skype. Absolutely correct. Dear. It should be Skype. Okay. Answer the following. How do computers on the internet communicate with each other? So where can we find the answer to this one? Can anyone help me with the same?
TCP/IP.
Computers on the internet communicate with each other. कोई बता सकता है इसका आंसर कहाँ मिलेगा?
TCP/IP.
TCP/IP.
Sir,
Page number
162 page पे
162.
sir, second paragraph, last line.
Actually, you have to write it like this. The internet is a worldwide publicly accessible network made up of interconnected computer networks. So this is the first line that you need to write, and after that the computers on the internet communicate with each other using TCP/IP. Okay, that's it. Okay, this is how you have to write down the answer of this first question. Let's come on the second part. What do you understand by RSS? Okay, so for that, what you can do, you can copy the recaps fourth point. Okay, you can copy recaps fourth point, and this is not the way you have to write down the answer. Remember this thing. Okay, you have to write down the complete point the way it is given in your book on page number 169. You have to write it down like that. Don't write down like this, recaps fourth point, because I know if you will write down like this in your book, you're going to write it in the same way in the exam also. ठीक है, तो ऐसे मत लिखिएगा. चलो अब आते हैं हम लोग थर्ड क्वेश्चन पे. Define the term real-time communication. So for that, what you guys can do, let me help you with the answer of this one. Where is the definition of real-time communication?
Sir, page
Given.
number 163.
But I'm not able to hear you. थोड़ा तेज बोलोगे?
Sir, page number 163.
163 पर हूँ मैं, लेकिन कहाँ पर है? Where it is given to you? In which paragraph?
सर सबसे पहला पैराग्राफ ही तो है.
सर
Define the
टॉप
term
वाला
real-time communication.
Yes, sir.
Where
Page number
it is given?
163,
Definition
first
of this one.
paragraph.
First paragraph. Under this heading real-time communication, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Text audio video communication can happen in real time on the web. These capabilities allow people to conference. Acha, okay, you're talking about this one. Text, audio, and video communication can happen in real time. That is online on the web. These capabilities allow people to conference and collaborate in real time. So I think this should be the answer of this one. And besides that, you have to write this thing also. Real time communication includes, okay, so it includes chat, it includes audio, it includes video, then it includes file transfer, and what else it includes? It includes document sharing, right? So everything you have to write down. Okay, so you have to write the answer of this third one like this. This is a complete answer of this third question. Skype. What is the question? What is the Skype mention any two basic requirements to use this software? Okay. So for this, Skype is one of the popular applications or voice over internet protocol VoIP services. We can do group video call. So video message again for this. This is the first thing that you have to write. Besides, in the second part, it is asking that, what are the two requirements the device on which you're installing it should fulfill for using this Skype. So requirements are, okay, it's given on page number 164. So requirements, पहली requirement है आपका high speed internet connection, ये आपका पहली requirement है. दूसरी requirement है speakers की, speakers होनी चाहिए, headphones होने चाहिए and a microphone होना चाहिए. ठीक है, जैसे कि हमने पढ़ा था. और एक है आपका webcam. ठीक है, if you want to do a live conferencing, live video conferencing, so for that you need to have a webcam also installed in your device. Let's come on this fifth part. What do you understand by a blog? Explain its uses. Okay. So a blog is an easy to create website that allows users to share
Excuse
their
me, sir.
thoughts. Yes, beta.
सर आपने स्पीड लिखा है स्पीड की जगह फर्स्ट पॉइंट में रिक्वायरमेंट्स
कहाँ
की.
पे बेटा?
सर फर्स्ट पॉइंट में रिक्वायरमेंट्स की.
A high, acha, okay, sorry. A high speed, it should be high speed. A blog is an easy to create website that allows users to share their thoughts with the world. Okay, and what else this question is asking us? Explain its uses. Okay. So you can write it down like this. Blogging can be an interactive activity. Fine. Readers can readers can add comments to bloggers postings. Other
The blog can only be a video.
persons can respond and a conversation ensues. Okay, so just all these things you
The
can write
blog
down.
can only be a
Question number
video.
5. Now comes explain the term multimedia. Multimedia.
Sir, can I ask one thing?
Yes, who's this?
Sir, can I ask?
बेटा थोड़ा तेज बोलो.
Sir, can I ask one thing?
हाँ अनुष्का पूछो, क्या पूछ रहे हो बेटा?
Sir, blog can only be a video.
Sorry.
Sir,
Blog
she is
can-
saying that blog can only be a video.
कौन कह रहा है कि blog can only be a video, dear?
Sir, she is
Because you
asking.
haven't done it practically, na? That is the reason you're asking such question. Have you tried creating a blog of yours on that blogger.com site, which I've told you in the previous lecture? अनुष्का करा है बेटा ब्लॉग क्रिएट आपने प्रैक्टिकली करके देखा ये वाला?
No, sir.
तो फिर कैसे आएगा समझ में? फेसबुक पे कभी पोस्ट करा है? फेसबुक पर?
No, sir.
फेसबुक पे कभी पोस्ट नहीं करा? सब कोई कुछ पोस्ट नहीं पड़ा सब?
No, sir.
फेसबुक पे जब हम पोस्ट करते हैं ना बेटा, सो वी कैन इंक्लूड आवर वीडियो. इफ यू वांट यू कैन पोस्ट अ वीडियो आल्सो. In the same post you can include a photo or photograph also, and in the same post you can insert a text message also if you want. तो जो ब्लॉग का, जो फेसबुक का या व्हाट्सएप या फेसबुक का या फिर इंस्टाग्राम का कंसेप्ट निकल के आया ना, ये ब्लॉगिंग से ही निकल के आया. एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई हैव रिटन ओवर हियर आल्सो, कि ब्लॉगिंग में क्या होता है कि जो रीडर होता है वो कमेंट ऐड कर सकता है. आप कमेंट कर सकते हो ना किसी की भी वीडियो पर या किसी की भी ब्लॉग पर, और जो दूसरा बंदा होता है, ही कैन रेस्पॉन्ड टू योर कमेंट्स. ठीक है, सो एक कॉन्वर्सेशन हो जाए, कॉन्वर्सेशन एस्टैब्लिश हो जाता है दो या दो से ज्यादा बंदों के बीच. यही तो ब्लॉगर करता है, और यही चीज हम लोगों ने ना उठा के इंस्टाग्राम के लिए और फेसबुक के लिए यूज कर ली. ओके, until and unless you'll try and do it, you'll do it practically, you will not be able to understand it. Theoretically, it's not an English class going on right now. English या हिंदी की क्लास नहीं, it's a computer class, and computer is a practical subject. जब तक practically नहीं करोगे बेटा, it's not possible for you to understand the core concept of these things. Multimedia refers to multiple mediums, the ability to present text, graphics, audio, video, and sound in an integrated manner. That's it. ठीक है बेटा, सारे के सारे क्वेश्चन करा दिए हैं. अब कृपया करके जो लास्ट क्वेश्चन बचा है, अगर आप लोग खुद कर लेंगे, only one question is left, that is question number 7. So I would like you guys to do that question yourself. इतना कर पाएंगे आप लोग? इतनी
Yes, sir.
मेहरबानी आप लोगों की हो पाएगी?
Yes, sir.
हो जाएगी मेहरबानी तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. सब लोगों ने कॉपी कर लिया आंसर्स, whatever I have written on this notepad? Is there anyone who is left who is still copying the answers? कोई ऐसा है तो मुझे बता सकता है वो?
सर मेरे
Right.
फिलिंग्स रह गए थे.
कौन? अभी भी कुछ रह गया? वाह बेटा वाह, ये फिलअप्स ये रे बेटा. लिखो क्या रहे और क्या बचा
सर
है?
हम लिख रहे थे.
क्या
सर हम
बेटा?
लिख रहे थे. सर
ले
डन.
लीजिए करने से बात. फिलअप्स में बेटा पहला फिलअप है टीसीपी आईपी, दूसरा
सर कर
दूसरे
लिए
का आंसर
मैंने.
है इट इज स्काइप. ओके, थर्ड वन इज VoIP, fourth one is plugin, fifth one is weblog, sixth one is live cam, and seventh one is group screen sharing. तो ये 7 आंसर्स हैं फिलिप्स के.
ओके सर. सर
कोई
कैन
और
यू शो
डाउट बताइए किसी
ट्रू
और का?
फॉल्स?
हो गया सारा?
सर एक बार ये ट्रू फॉल्स दिखा दीजिए.
बेटा
मुझे कुछ चेक
थोड़ा सा
करना है.
तेज बोलो प्लीज.
सर प्लीज कैन यू शो दी ट्रू फॉल्स? आई नीड टू चेक देम.
अरे वाह बेटा, ये लो. ट्रू फॉल्स. ट्रू false, false, false.
सर सही है।
Fine.
सर एक बार
Yes,
लास्ट
sir.
वर्ड